Animal welfare needs qualification. To find out how much demand there is for training programs, EQA and the International FoodNet Center Bonn have made a survey. Over 1,000 people from 8 European countries took part in the survey. One interesting aspect is the fact that after the decision of the Federal Council of Germany on December 14th, participation in the survey increased significantly. On that day, the politicians decided to extend the period for allowing young pig castration without narcosis. Although the collected data is in the process of analysis right now, we can present first findings. 59% of the participants of the questionnaire have directly to do with animals. 41% are experts of different kinds. An important role in the survey play the 5 known alternatives to castration without anesthesia. The first group consists of 2 methods without surgical castration, that are boar fattening and immune castration. The 3 other cases include a surgical castration, but have different methods of anesthesia. These are inhalation anesthesia, injection anesthesia, and local anesthesia. At 4 points along the food production chain, people have given an estimation of how much demand for qualification there is. These points are piglet production, pig fattening, transportation of slaughtering pigs, and finally slaughtering. In the field of piglet production, a high demand for training is seen especially for those dealing with inhalation anesthesia, injection anesthesia, and local anesthesia. Farmers and vets in pig fattening are seen to be trained especially in the subjects of young boar fattening and immune castration, that is the field of no surgical intervention. A similar picture is seen for the responsible persons of transportation of slaughter pigs. Although the demand is not seen as high as in other points along the food chain production, it is still over 1/3 of the respondents who see necessity. Also, those responsible for the living animals at the slaughterhouse are seen to be trained in the first 2 fields. The survey shows clearly that every person at every point of the value chain needs coaching. EQA has set up a standard for qualification and education. Classes by EQA standard and lecturers classified by EQA lead to an increase in animal welfare.